Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember, it's under Molene Papin on YouTube or Espace Réflexion on Facebook. Well, my title today is Adding Colors to Your Life. And I know you might be asking, how do we add colors to our lives? Well, you can add colors to your life with friends. Guys, what do you think about having friend? What is a friend anyway? Who can be your friend? Why do you need friends? I know you're asking yourself all those questions, but let me tell you, a friend is someone you are attached to, someone you like to spend time with, someone you feel comfortable with, and especially someone you can be yourself when you are around them. Your life gets bigger and greater when you have a friend. And it all started when you start kindergarten. Guys, it's important for you to have friends. You might ask, why? Well, let me tell you why. When you have a friend, it helps you to have a good self-esteem. It helps you to feel like you belong. And there's also more love around. It helps you because you have more people to play with. You get to spend time with them. You can invite them to your birthday parties, or you can actually go to their birthday parties. But guess what? Your parents can arrange a play date. And also, having a friend can also help you build your social skills. What are social skills? You know how to act when you're around people. You know how to open a conversation. You know how to respond. That's how social skills are. That's why you need a friend. Well, who can be my friend? Who can be my friend, Miss M? Well, anyone that is the same age or around the same age as you. Anyone who accepts you for who you are. They don't want you to be somebody else. Anyone who makes you laugh. Anyone you can laugh together with. Anyone that makes you happy. Someone that encourages you to work hard and to always do your best. Someone who's honest with you. Someone who makes time for you. They are always there for you. Someone that supports you, and especially someone who listens to you and understands you. That's who can be your friend. Well, to have a friend is to be happy. Add colors to your life as much as you add colors to theirs. Guys, friendship gives you 1,000 memories. Remember, make a friend and start creating memories with them. Keep watching. We have more videos coming for you. See you next time.